Welcome back to this channel, and today's video I will be showing you how you can use AI to remove background from any photo. So without much ado, let's get started. Remember to subscribe to this channel. The first thing you are going to do is to go to Google and you actually look for this website that is named AI background remover. Okay, you search for the AI background remover and then you will see this website at the top of the screen. Like you are checking actually on your screen, you can change the description for the link in order to get access to it. So by the time you have done that, it's going to come into this place, and then this is where you are going to perform the magic. So you are going to look for the image you want to remove the background, and then you drop it inside this box, and then it will automatically remove the background, and that is what it's actually doing here. So it's already removing the background, and then what you just have to do is that once you finish, you click on download and then it will be downloaded. Okay, so I'm done with it. It has already been removed, and then you click on download, and then it's going to bring a box suggesting that would you want to download into your system. You just have to click on save, that is yes, that you want to download. So it has been done. Okay, I'm going to do another tutorial for you. I'm going to download this particular image, and that is what I'm trying to do. I've already downloaded it, and then I'm going to open the folder in order to drop it inside that particular website that you actually seeing. Okay, so I'm going to go to folder again, that is where my download are, and then I'm going to drop, like you see, I drag and drop it inside the box, and then by the time you do that, automatically it will begin to run and remove the background. You don't really need any editing skill for this thing, and then by the time it's done, the background will be removed. What you just have to do is that you click on download, and then once you click on download, and then you can begin to use this and place it on any background. So this is how to remove a background from image. Subscribe to my channel.